iyong sikreto. Alam ko ang lahat ng nangyayari sa'yo, at wala ring tinatago. Bawat galaw ko ay kwento ko sa'yo. Pagkausap na kita, iniisip mo siya. Di mo man ito aminin, di na mahalaga. Pagkasama mo siya, andun ang iyong saya. Di mo na ako naisip, di na ba mahalaga. Apektado ako sa inyo. Apektado ako. Sabi mo, di dapat mag-alala. Wala akong dapat na ipangamba sa mga kilos mo. Aking nararamdaman na ako ngayon ay balewala. Hindi naman ako perpekto, hindi ko mapigilan na ako ay magtampo. Di na ako sinusuyo, wala na ba sa akin ang atensyon mo. Pagkausap na kita, iniisip mo siya. Di mo man ito aminin, di na mahalaga. Pagkasama mo siya, andun ang iyong saya. Di mo na ako naisip, Sabihin mo na ng posible at parang di ako mapakali sa kilos mo sa sine. Na lang ba natin masisilip ang bagay na parang imposible? Nakakainggit. Ano nga bang magagawa at di ko maiwasan? Naaakit sa iyong presensya at ayoko may mawala sa ating pinagsamahan. Kaya naman pasensya na. Imahe nating dalawa sa aking isip, mga labi na tila nakadikit, nakakakilig. At syempre, ako'y isang babaeng torpe na di naman kayang aminin na merong sinde. Ano nga ba magagawa at di ko maiwasan? Naaakit sa iyong presensya at ayoko may mawala sa ating pinagsamahan. Kaya naman pasensya na. Ano ba ang magagawa at di ko maiwasan? Naaakit sa iyong presensya at ayoko may mawala sa ating pinagsamahan. Di ko maamin, kaya pasensya. Ano nga ba magagawa at di ko maiwasan? Naaakit sa iyong presensya
they were just here eh. Parang fresh pa sa mind ko. We were talking about Taylor Swift and stuff.
I know.
Parang, you were just... Hindi ako Hindi
Namiss
ako sanay.
Namiss ka namin masyado, so we had to.
So that's why.
That's why
well, I am quite missable. I understand. Missable?
Miss mo yung sarili mo.
What a word! Good afternoon. Well, it's actually already a good evening, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Easy Rock Plugged In with yours truly. And my name is Shai, with a very, very familiar band that was just here last March, which just means they are oh so busy because they finally have another song out. Alam mo, alam nyo ba normally, first off, hindi ako sanay nakaupo ng ganito, but anyway, normally, when we say, guys, balik kayo ha, we can't wait to see you guys again soon, parang I'm not prepared na may pumatol. Hindi ako sanay na may pumatol talaga bumalik agad this soon. Because the last time you were here, you were talking about your song Babaeng Torpe. And now you're here for another song.
Yes.
Parang
Alam mo, parang
may
pag sinabi namin babalik kami soon, tinutupad talaga namin.
Yun. Yan ang gusto ko kay Eunice. Let's go. And yes, of course, they are the band Grace Note before I forget. They are the band Grace Note. Welcome back to Easy Rock
Hi,
Plugged
guys.
In, of course. We're so happy that you're here again. And this time, we hope that less hugutin yung song natin ngayon. Are we feeling better with our emotions?
Still coping.
Still coping, and that's why we're gonna be listening to a certain song later on. But for now, I gotta ask, Eunice, Torpe pa rin ba ang status natin ngayon?
Balang araw, hindi na.
Ooh, balang araw. Ooh, that is actually a clue for the next song. But yeah, besides, I mean, again, you're apparently so busy because you just released a song a few months back and now you have another one coming up. I mean, you've already have one and you're going to perform it later. But besides the music, what else is new with Grace Note? Not much, I guess, kasi they were just here eh.
Ano ba nangyari for the past
Di ba,
month?
few months? Oo.
Ay, yeah. Actually, maglalabas kami ng bagong vinyl.
Music pa rin to.
Music pa rin.
Music pa rin.
Dapat hindi music. Wait lang, ano ba?
Nagpakulay ng buhok. I have a new cat. Walang ganun. Wala.
Nagpabutas ng tenga.
Oo, nagpa-piercing.
Hey, proud of you, girl.
Nag-aalaga ako ng bird ko. Dalawa sila eh.
Sorry, pakilinaw.
Dalawang
Sobrang
birds.
cute ng bird ni EJ.
Isang maliit tsaka malaki. Dalawa siya.
So,
African lovebird tsaka Indian ringneck. Yep.
Yeah. He's busy
playing with
My
his
birds.
birds.
your birds.
Pero ano sila, hindi sila kumbaga friendly sa iba. Lalo na kapag kunyari sinigawan mo sila dahil kunyari parang kakagatin ka, ganun. Tatandaan nila yun.
No way, though. No way.
Totoo.
Yeah.
Totoo.
Oh, wow.
Legit.
Wait, I'm suddenly, I mean, jokes aside, I'm very interested suddenly. Kasi sanay tayo sa cats and dogs,
Medyo
diba?
underrated kasi yung, well, ngayon medyo nagiging sikat na dahil sa mga Instagram.
Oh, yeah.
Ano. Pero awesome na pets ang birds talaga.
Ang birds. And then they live long, diba?
Yes, 15 years.
Wow.
To 50, minsan yung mga
Parrots nga nakikita ko, like
mga
they live.
Macau birds.
Oo,
yan.
as long as they're owners.
Oo,
Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you call avian? What should we call a person who likes birds?
Bird lover.
Bird whisperer.
Well, you're not wrong. You're
Avian
not.
lover siguro ganun. Kasi may
Paano? What's the word?
avian lover.
Avian lover.
I'm
Avian
not sure, pero
lover.
like yung word na yun, avian, di ba?
Oo nga. And how about you? That's
Isda naman.
is that no? Hindi siya bago. Hindi siya bago. It's not a new thing for you. So we have a bird lover, a fish lover, a cat lover, and
My cat died
Just-
though.
Lover boy.
Yeah, that's new. Just 2 months ago. So it's another healing process. Yeah, for
it's
me.
another hugot song.
I know.
Oh my God, you're gonna make it look like it's a love song, relatable.
But
mga
it's
tao,
really
pero
about my
your
cat.
How old was she?
Magta-turn siya sana ng 5 years na nung May. Nung May 5.
Ano ba? Iyak na naman ba ako? I cried when Hale was here the other day. For reasons. But now, am I gonna cry because of your cat?
No.
Iiyak na yan.
No.
Iiyak na yan.
Naubos na yung luha ko kagabi.
Oh my God. Kagabi lang.
Because I was missing my cat.
Oh, I'm so sorry. You have an Instagram. I follow it on Instagram.
Yeah.
What if-
It's Quezon Kuting. Yeah.
Guys!
Special
Okay.
din kasi, ano siya eh, bingi.
Yeah, she's deaf.
Oh my goodness, I didn't know that.
Yeah,
So,
it's a
iba
very
talaga
special
siya.
communication
Oo.
language
Special care,
between
tsaka
So sobrang biglaan lang. It's heart attack. So naging madrama na yung yung naging yeah.
That's the first I've heard for Kata, heart
Yeah.
attack. I've
Yeah,
heard about
it's super rare daw
liver
nun.
failure and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm
You have
sorry,
to
but
let-
these are things that concern us. These are things that concern us.
Shout out sa mga cat
Cat
lovers out
lovers,
there.
my goodness. I should have worn my cat shirt. I have I have a favorite cat shirt. But anyway, I'm so
I'm
sorry.
wearing a cat shirt.
Oh, meow meow. Rar. Anyway, I'm sorry. We're really digressing here. Back to Grace Note. Hey, so we saw that Team Grace Note is very active in supporting your gigs. The Gracians, right? Diba? You call them that. So how do you catch up? Like, do you interact with, or do you have a hangout session or what? Like, how does the band Grace Note continue to also support the Gracians? Parang ganon.
Yeah,
Diba, ang dami yung ganun, ang dami yung group
Yeah.
photo,
Yeah,
diba?
we actually just
I love the support.
Yan, oo, sobra. Nakakatuwa. Ayan, lagi silang pumupunta sa gig. So, every after gig, nagkakaroon kami ng time with them. Nag-picture kami with them,
Wow.
kwentuhan, gano'n.
Oo.
And
And
also,
yearly then we also like celebrate.
yeah,
I love
nagpupunta
that.
sila
Like
ng
we
mga
do
events.
Christmas parties,
Oo.
ganun.
Yeah.
Tapos sobrang
Yeah.
sobrang na-appreciate namin sila. Sobrang thankful kami sa kanila kasi sila yung mga taong alam mo yung hindi mapapalitan ng kahit ano yung suporta na binibigay nila. Like every year they celebrate my birthday, they surprise me. Parang what did I do to deserve that? Pero
Well, there's a lot to list down, but okay.
pero grabe lang, iba sila magmahal. Yung Gracians, yung suporta na binibigay nila, it's just very 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 rare and special. Kaya sobrang pinapahalagahan namin yung binibigay nilang pagmamahal.
Aww, shout out to the Gracians. And yes, thank you also to all of you guys for sharing this video. Yes, slight pressure, but yes, thank you for sharing this video to, to other fans of Grace Notes. Grace Note, hopefully, you could bring more into the fold. Ayan. All right. Well, thank you. Thank you for
We love you
sharing that.
guys.
Thank you for sharing about your pets. But right now, because instead of tears, we're gonna have an icebreaker. We're gonna have fun with this game called Song Association Game. So dahil napaka-competitive niyong tatlo, let's see what we can do for this game. Tatlo? Bakit tatlo? Ano ba? Apat. Who am I not including? Sorry. My bad. I'm wrong. So, ito na talaga. Seryoso
may
na.
isa kasing nonchalant.
Ay, sorry. Mali. Oh.
May isang nonchalant.
Sino kasi si nonchalant? Sino si chalant?
Sino si siya?
What, Shaik? Medyo ginudge ko sarili ko dun. Anyway, so the mechanics of the game is one person says a word and each band member must think of a song with that word in the lyrics. So ganun lang siya. So the consequences, you gotta sing. The member with the least points will have to sing the longest possible Easy Rock stinger. Easy Rock. Ganun lang. The longer, the better, or something like that. Okay, so are we gonna go around? Who play who? Are we gonna go around as in they all have... Hindi ako na-brief, guys. I'm sorry. Hindi ako na-brief. Interns eh. Can't expect much. Bagsak na sila. Finals na nila to, guys. Okay, so the one word goes to each of them. Okay. So let's start with the most brokenhearted at the moment, which is...
That's me.
Okay, let's start with Eunice, and your word is akin. You gotta sing a song,
Oh my God, wait.
diba? Sing it.
Oh no.
3, 2, 1.
Ay, wait. Start na ba?
Apparently may countdown. Apparently so.
Easy rock.
Magbibilangan pa naman tayo. Magbibilangan pa, girl. Wait lang. Okay, next up, let's have the nonchalant.
Kaya mo yan, Kuya Tat.
Let's go. Your word is mahal. O baka naman. Mahal, kaya mo na yung mahal. Ay, sorry.
Mahal na mahal kita.
Tuloy mo.
Mahal na mahal kita. Hindi nyo alam yun.
Oh, hindi nyo daw alam yun. Oh, classic. Hindi nyo alam.
Yung ba yun?
Hindi ko rin alam, honestly.
Parang napanood.
Iba yata yun.
EJ! Your word is saktan. Hindi ko rin alam. Wala akong maisip.
Saktan.
Wala akong maisip. Ang hirap
Diba?
sa...
Oh.
Kahit yung akin nga,
Ang
wala.
puso ko. Yan yun.
Sinak.
Akala ko
I thought,
ko dun,
actually, I was thinking, sinalit, pwede ba? 5, 4, 3.
Concede.
Concede. Okay, sige. Kakanta na yung mamaya. Naramdaman ko. Hey, how are you? Hey.
Hey.
Are you good? Hey. Okay, for jazz, the word of jazz is dito. Napakadali naman natin yan. Dito. 5, 4. I have a feeling the entire band will sing.
Meron ako dyan.
Actually,
Totoong 3, 2.
Nandito yun eh. Nandito yun.
Kahit na nagdurugo
Pwedeng puso na lang.
puso.
So just like EJ nga kanina, parang it wasn't the exact word.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, you
talo.
also are lost here. Ganun. So let's see. Paunahan na lang sila with the last word.
Sige.
Paunahan sila with the last word.
Tagalog.
3, 2, 1, it's ngiti.
Lift your hand
Saan ang ngiti dun?
with a smile.
balang araw ay
Hindi
mapapangiti.
ba? Hindi mapang... Oo nga
Ah,
ba?
ah, ah.
Tapos na.
Wala.
Ay. Hindi
Pero hindi mo kasi kinanta eh.
Mapangiti eh.
Ay, hindi rin. Oo.
One word ang...
Ano ba?
One
No,
word
I can-
yung
I can think
mapangiti.
No, Ronnie Liang.
Sino yung gumawa ng list na yan?
Sa ngiti,
Ay,
ako'y
naghumali.
I like how you started with the...
Sa...
Hindi mo matuloy
At
from
sa
the...
tuwing ako ay darating, ang mundo ko'y tumitigil para lang sa'yo.
Mahirap.
Nanananan ang puso.
So dahil dyan, Jazz is exempted from singing the Easy Rock
Oh,
Stinger.
yeah.
And for the three of you, you guys gotta, like, with all your love for Easy Rock, you gotta
Ito yung
sing
gusto ko
the
talaga.
Stinger as long as you could. Me, 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 me.
So may price ba yung pinakamahaba?
Pagmamahal lang namin. Eternal love and affection. Sorry, yun lang afford
Let's go
namin.
Easy
eh.
Rock. This is for
Sabay-sabay
you,
ba?
this is for you.
Oo. Sabay na. Mauubos na yung oras sabi ni Direk
Gusto
eh.
nila yung matira, no?
Oo, ganun.
Walang mandadaya. Game?
I love that.
Ano yung tono? Easy.
Huwag mataas, mabubos hangin natin agad.
Easy. Tama, ito na lang. Easy. Ikaw na mag-start. Easy.
5,
Sige.
4,
Go.
Easy
Thank you. Di ba? That's
Si EJ yung panalo sa mga talo.
Si EJ ang panalo sa mga talo. Usually when you guys play games, like who's usually the most competitive?
Lahat
Ikaw.
kami actually.
Lahat kayo.
Lahat kami
but es-
competitive.
Okay, okay. But who usually comes out as the winner?
Depende sa game.
May theme ba? Like pag pang matalino, it's this person. Pag physical fitness, it's this
Actually, more
person.
on luck nga eh. Share ko lang. Yung parang, kunyari, may pupunta kaming food na hindi pa namin natatry. Tapos mag-order kami ng something na parang, uy, try natin to. Ganun. Tapos iba-iba kami ng order. Tapos, uy, ikaw panalo kapag siya yung pinakamasarap na order.
Pati sa ganun, pati sa potluck.
Ang
galing!
Kasi parang, uy, panalo ka
ganun
ngayon
kami.
sa order.
Ang
mo.
galing!
Parang
But you don't keep
Simpleng
track
ganun.
naman siguro. Like you don't take tabs. Panalo ako.
5-0.
We don't know it.
Yung low-key lang, yung hindi nila alam.
ganun.
Best of 7,
Mga
ganun.
foodie kasi talaga kami.
Pero yung win ng
Okay.
isa, win ng lahat naman eh. So,
Ganun.
Very diplomatic answer. Nakakainis. Very artista answer. The win of one is the win of all because that's how we are as a band.
world peace.
And I thank you.
Thank you.
Kakainis. Okay. Thank you for that. Thank you for playing along. And again, you all are winners as a band. Moving on to your new song. And this is called Balang Araw Ay Mapapangiti. Eunice, ano na? What's up? Are we, what's going on?
It's about finding hope and healing after heartbreak.
Shucks, na naman. Na naman.
Ay.
Na naman. Sabi ng prompter kasi ganun eh. Okay, question. Is yung Balang Araw Mapapangiti, are you saying that somehow, eventually, I will make you smile? Or somehow, eventually, I will smile?
The latter
Both.
part.
Both. Yeah.
More
yeah,
on the
yeah.
second data, right?
Hindi, ano kasi siya eh, yung chorus talaga niya, balang araw ay mapapangiti, balang araw ay may magpapangiti, balang araw ay mapapangiti. Yun yung last. So, may dalawa siyang ibig sabihin. So, parang hopeful siya in a way. Parang nasaktan at umaasa and hopeful.
You can also eventually also make
There's
another
something
person
positive
happen.
out of it.
Oh, there you go. Relate ang
Good
lahat
question.
ganon. Oh, diba?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
I like that. I like that.
And I thank you. So you cover different, sides of love in the song, like you mentioned, diba? From trust to fear, actually. So how did you come up with these different angles, Eunice? Kasi, talaga
kasi-
serious na agad.
Sa buhay.
Let's go, Miss Universe.
Pero well, just real talk lang, real talk. Well, Eunice verse. Hindi, pero lahat naman tayo bilang tao, diba? We feel things, we experience heartbreak. So, minsan umabot sa point na parang gusto mo nang sumuko at mag-give up sa love. Kasi parang paulit-ulit na lang na nasasaktan ka, nagiging same pattern na lang. So, parang minsan ayaw mo na. Dating sa point na ganun. So, for the song, it's a reminder na, alam mo yun, wag mong pigilan. Kasi, minsan kailangan mo lang subukan para bumangon ulit. Kung sa pag-ibig man yan or sa buhay. So, ayun, kahit anong pait ng nakaraan, bigyan mo pa rin ng chance yung sarili mo para makaramdam ulit. So, yun, balang araw ay mapapangiti. It's something na yun, gusto namin i-share at naniniwala kami na darating yung araw na yun sa buhay mo. At sabi nga, diba, hindi naman laging umuulan, hindi rin laging umaaraw, hindi rin laging bumabagyo. Kumbaga, there's always like good days and you just have to hold on and maniwala ka lang dun. So, yun. Balang araw yung papangiti. We promise you that. Believe us. By the way, this song is also a collaboration that we did with Zel Bautista of December Avenue.
Yeah,
So
I heard. I mean, if you guys
full
had,
of emotions.
oo nga eh. And I mean, we love to joke around and whatever, but in a serious note, talagang I feel your emotions the way you're explaining the song. So usap tayo mamaya. It's okay, Eunice. Let's talk
Hugging
later. Let's hug it out later. Okay. No, but also seriously though, speaking of Zel, I mean, if you had to come back again after a few months, sana naman nagdala kayo ng bago, di ba? Baka naman next time dalhin nyo si Zel. Bakit naman kasi hindi yun? Sinong, did you not invite him? Or what? Like, bakit wala si Zel dito? Talagang inaway.
May show ata sila sa ibang bansa.
Zel naman.
Tama, no?
Out
of town na.
No, he just didn't want to come. Zel, you know what?
Yeah.
One-on-one tayo next time. Zel. Hi, everybody.
Magka-concert sila.
No, this video is just for Zel, actually. So, Zel, if you're not Zel, then scroll away. But, Zel, I'm kind of hurt.
Close up pa, ganun, yung mga ganun.
Oo, di ba? Parang close up, guys. Close up. Okay. Zel, hi. It's Shy. So, it's supposed to be your first... Wag naman masyado close up, guys. Pimples ko. First time mo dapat dito eh. Pero parang bakit...
Next time,
Next time? Promise
Balang
niyo?
araw.
Balang araw! Hey, let's go.
Balang araw,
Zel,
ay darating si Zel dito.
I'll wait for you, Zel. I will wait for you, Zel. Here, in this spot, on December. Huh? Anyway,
Sa December.
going on. Moving on. But really though, how did the idea of collaborating with Zel come to be?
Si Zel kasi matagal na rin talaga namin siyang nakakasama sa industry. Before pa lang meron na kaming collaboration. December Avenue at Hotel Grace Note. But it was different kasi happy song, summer song, ganun. It was for a special project. But this time, si Sir Darwin, manager namin.
Sir Darwin.
Yeah, shout out sir na nasa ibang bansa ngayon, nasa US. He's good friends with Zel din. So, matagal nang sinasabi ni sir na parang sana one day makantan niya yung song ni Zel. Sir Darwin kasi parang, just so you know guys, he's like our 5th member sa Grace Note. So,
He's always the extra member of all the bands of Superstar,
Pero,
di
yan.
ba? Oo.
So this is a special project namin na yun nga ginawa ni Sir Darwin, and naisip din namin na for this song Balang Araw yung Papangiti. The first time I heard it, I cried. So it was full of like feels and emotions, and sabi agad namin na parang sir, parang bagay dito si Zell. Boses niya yung naririnig namin. So, it was perfect when he said yes. And ngayon, nabigyang buhay na yung kanta. At sana marami siyang maabot ng mga tao at maraming makarinig at maging yakap sa kanila.
I love that. Well, we will be actually listening to it again in a few moments. But for now, will there be a music video or at least like a visualizer or something for us to,
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Meron
Abangan
ng
niyo.
lyric video actually.
There you go.
So, kung gusto nyo sabayan yung song, pwede nyo play yung lyric video para pag pumunta sa gigs, alam nyo na yung
No,
lyrics.
diba? Oh, and for now, parang videoke nyo, ganon, diba?
Yeah.
And then when you get to the gigs, you can just sing along with the band. I love that. Well, the bridge also talks about not giving false hopes. There are mga false hopes na yun talaga ba? Do you have any advice for viewers and fans who are dealing with broken promises in relationships? Promise ikaw lang.
Ay, huwag ka
Forever.
maniniwala. Joke lang.
Ay, nako, sinasabi mo pa, Eunice. Sige, but yeah, do you have any words
Para
for
sa
them?
mga binigyan ng promise or sa mga nagpa-promise?
Ooh, what about for those making promises?
Huwag kang magpa-promise.
Nice.
Okay,
Gawin mo na lang. Huwag mo sabihin. Gawin mo.
To be fair, nung time na yun naman, we meant it.
Kasi ang promise meant to be fulfilled, guys. Dapat na-fulfill siya. So, pag sinabi mo siya, dapat tuparin mo.
Kaya huwag kayo mag-promise na ng promise, di kita iiwan.
Ay, oo. Pero, yun, sa mga nagpapaasa, hinay-hinay lang kayo dahil, yun.
Easy with your words.
Yeah, easy
diba?
rock.
Easy with your words like easy rock.
Yeah, siguro ako, wag na lang silang magbibitaw ng tapos na salita. Kasi at the moment, pwedeng feeling mo, yun.
Ito na, oo.
Pero, pag dumating yung time na parang, may mga times kasi na mapapalayo yung loob mo eh. Parang masyado kang nadadala sa emosyon mo at the moment. So, kaya mo nasasabi. So, siguro, yun na lang. Huwag kang magsasalita ng tapos.
Yeah.
Jazz, nakapagsalita ka na ba ng tapos?
Hindi.
You were
Yun ang
brought in the moment.
Natatakot akong gawin eh. Kasi syempre wala tayong alam sa future. Unless, kapag iba naman kapag medyo, sure ka na dun sa tao, di ba? Yun nga yung dadating na yung marriage and stuff. Ibang usapan na yun.
Commitment na yun.
Commitment, yeah.
Siguro, parang part siya ng experience. Kasi people make promises not because parang intentional na kumbaga parang manloko.
Oo, yeah.
Kasi may mga tao na talaga nanloloko. Pero like yung sometimes, okay magbigay ng assurance eh. Pero syempre, wala namang guarantee talaga. So, kung genuine naman talaga, 'di ba? Why not na ano? Pero minsan talaga may mga bagay na hindi natin expect
Malalim
na mangyari.
pinangungugutan natin.
Yun nga, ramdam ko nga. Usap rin tayo mamaya. It's okay. Let's talk it out as well.
Ang feeling ko kasi maging thankful kayo kasi after that, for sure malilid kayo sa person na para sa inyo talaga.
And it's truly a learning experience.
Yes,
Diba?
yes.
Pero alam mo, on the flip side of that, I mean, on the receiving end of the person with the parang you think na, so dapat ba lagi ako understanding? I'm not saying that's wrong. Definitely,
Yeah.
you're right.
Yeah.
Pero so parang nangyari, lagi na lang tayong, you know what, at that time, I understand that he was sincere, pero ngayon, blah, blah, blah. So you know what, I understand the pain you're going to put me through. Parang ganun ang na-imagine ko eh, di ba? Like on the flip side. But then again, yeah, let's all just manage everybody's expectations and also our words towards each other.
Yeah.
And I thank you. And because,
Pwede talaga to si Shai.
yun nga, tayo mag-talk show. Ano ba guys, let's do a podcast. Ipa-podcast na natin to.
Ganda nga eh.
Ito na talaga. So, okay. Guys, hindi pa kayo graduate until you do the podcast episode namin ha. Okay. Whilst you do that, we will now listen in a few moments to the new song of Grace Note. But of course, please let us know again. I mean, I'm sure everybody already knows, but for those who are new to Easy Rock Plugged In and to the new fans of Grace Note, please let us know where we could check you out, your music, and all your other events if you have any.
Yeah, this August 14, Wednesday, nasa 70s Bistro kami. August 22, nasa 19 East kami. Meron din kaming bar tour ng Hey June. This month din, happy August 1 pala sa inyong lahat. Ayun, maglalabas kami ng schedule soon. Ipopost na lang namin sa lahat ng socials namin. But yeah, check niyo yung Facebook page namin ng Grace Note if you want to be updated. We also have other socials like mga Instagram. Ganun, follow nyo kami at Grace Note Jam. And individually, we have at Eunice Grace Note, at Jazz
Jorge Base.
Jorge Base, at Tatsy Balls, and at EJ Pichay. So, kwentuhan tayo online. Meron din kaming broadcast channel. Kung gusto nyo sumali doon, Grace Notifications.
Yes.
Yun. So,
EJ,
yeah.
do you post your birds?
Sometimes.
Yeah,
Sa
we can see
story.
your birds in your story.
For sure,
Perfect.
for sure.
Okay. Guys, it disappears 24 hours lang yung story. So if you wanna see
Abangan nyo
EJ's...
guys yung birds ko.
Ayun.
Nagtitricks yun, guys.
Yeah, for real, for real.
Actually, nalaro na nga nila nung pumunta sila
They
sa bahay.
did?
Yes, yes.
Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Hindi naman kayo
Friendly
kinagat?
sa kanila, friendly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Minsan nanunuklaw. Nanunuklaw
Hindi,
ba
actually,
yun?
yung malaki.
Nanutuka pala.
Yung
Snake pala yung tuklaw.
Yung big bird, yung Indian ringneck, hindi ko pinagkakatiwala pa kasi masakit.
Yeah.
Medyo risky na
Si Fuy.
makagat sila. Pero yung small bird naman, okay
Yeah.
naman sila sa small.
Kumakapit
Lumilipad siya,
sila
tapos
sa,
kumakapit siya sa
sa finger.
Ang galing, ang galing. Like it does
So
tricks and
cute.
stuff na.
Yeah.
Cool.
Ano siya,
Basketball
free
din.
flying sa loob ng
Nagbabasketball
house.
yun.
Free flying sa loob ng house.
Ang galing.
Tapos sometimes when we eat dinner sa bahay, open lang yun. Tapos nakikiano sa table.
Hindi siya nagugulo. Hindi nagugulo.
Makulit. Minsan sasampa sa plato. Kasi malilinis ang birds pala.
Yeah,
by the
yeah,
way.
I
Basta
get
malinis
that.
yung cage and stuff.
Now
Totoo,
we're talking
malinis silang
about
animals
birds.
talaga.
Hygienic.
Pupunta sa cage nila,
Hygienic
uuwi
birds.
talaga. So parang they treat talaga yung cage na parang bahay nila. Unlike yung iba na store-bought lang na birds.
Pak.
Gusto nila tumakas lang talaga. So yun bahay talaga nila.
Ang
So,
galing.
yeah, galing.
What does your fishes do, Tats?
Minsan din sa table, hinahain.
Nag-google.
Ano,
Nag-chicks
kakain
din.
na
Tapos may lasa na,
Sinigang paksiw.
may ano na, may sauce na, may sabaw.
So ganyan.
Grabe ka.
Prito, gano'n. Depende lang. So kung anong trip namin sa araw na yun.
May siopaw din.
Ay, grabe, wag na. Stop na.
Stop it, my goodness. So obviously there was a fun interview again. Thank you so much. So do we invite you to come over soon? Parang
Baka tatawanin namin next 2 months, nandito ulit kami.
let's go. You know what? Let's go. I hope
Let's do this more often.
Kasi very happy kami pag
we're glad. We really are glad that you guys come over twice a year already for now, diba? So hopefully before the year ends, you got another song out and you're gonna come over again and promote it. And we're very, very grateful that you're here to spend some time with us here on Easy Rock Plugged In. And without further ado, boys and girls, my name is Shai. On behalf of Samantha, Chloe, and Andre Jordan, this has been Easy Rock Plugged In. Let us now listen to Grace Note and their performance of Balang Araw Ay Mapapangiti. Love you. Bye.
Huwag mong sasaktan ang magtitiwalang pag-ibig. Huwag mong paluluhain ang gustong umiti. Huwag mong guguluhin ang nananahimik.
na